in 2016, and higher weightage is expected to get into metals as we start into the new year as well. But Prathamesh Mallya now joins us with his strategies for the day today. Prathamesh, hi. What's your sense coming in for the metal space? Of course, the volumes are lower and the LME would only open after 4 days today. What's your expectation on the action?
Morning, Manisha. We see thin volumes, as you said, but we are advising a buy side in copper February contract at 376 mark, keeping a stop loss of 372 for target towards 382. But one thing is to be seen, Manisha, out of all the metals pack, copper is something which has been a laggard with regards to returns in the entire commodity space. Since you mentioned zinc and lead almost rallied by 30% or more than 70%. So copper is something which you will find a positive space for next year. So this is one asset where you need to look at in the base metal space.
Sure. Prathamesh, so while you're picking up copper in all of that metal space, what's your sense for the precious metal space? What's your range? What are your targets?
In the precious metal space, it is almost 7 continuous weeks wherein we see prices trending lower, and we will see this year-end not very good for precious metals. Although it has gained, gold has gained by around 7%, silver 18%, as you rightly mentioned, but gold has lost its sheen, and we advise a near-term strategy in gold February contract to sell at 27,300 mark, keeping a stop loss of 27,450 for target towards 27,020, and followed by 26,950.
Okay, Prathamesh and Manisha, thanks a lot for that. Let's move on. We've been talking about the big gainers of the year. One of them is GAIL. I mean, it's still in a falling market. It's still up almost 15% for the year. LNG prices